Asha, oh, go, KJ.
And Daddy was one of one. I know that has been said, but it is the truth. He was one of one. We are all uniquely made, but there is no one like Daddy. And why I say that, is because when everyone walked in this direction, Daddy walked in the opposite one. He set a standard for himself that wasn't there. He has set a standard for other people to follow. And that was one of the things that he always talked about. Why do you want to do what everyone is doing? Why can't you make your own brand? Okay, I keep on saying people, my family and friends know this.
Aha kubaya jenere. Beitanenge. Konkario montoro. Kuda.
Thank you very much. According to our record, the late General survived by a widow, Miss Jolie TUMWINE. I don't want to mention the number of children because in our culture we don't count children, but we have the record here. His primary next of kin is Miss Jolie, his wife, and his son, Nok David TUMWINE. The family of the deceased comrade is entitled to survivor benefits, the process of which will be explained to the beneficiary after the burial ceremony. Fare thee well, dear General Brother Comrade Elo TUMWINE. May the Lord Almighty receive you with all the grace that abandon in His.
It is that General TUMWINE with others, including General Muntu, who is here. So and now we have in Uganda, we need to guard it jealously. I say it again, we need to guard that peace and stability jealously.
She has paid her last respects.
Eri TUMWINE kusobola kumbazaho ng'omusajja emanzi eky'omulungi otukeeta emanzi omugezi omukozi obukozi bwe nkwenda mbubazeeho obunyezire mu palamenti y'omwenda eri TUMWINE akabagema wa palamenti ow'amahe obwire obukusinga yabaga mu palamenti esaaha munana kujja kwika sipiika kwija eri TUMWINE yabamu hariho obwire bwetusobola kubaho testimony kandi yabeeramuga abokuhabura abokwetwa abandi twatwina sipiidi nyingi nyowe ng'omuntu mbona sipiidi hariho nagambira abwaki batatuwaka kumiro district abwaki batagituuka obundi mulora obukiripusi obutambula awo nalengaga ninyenda kutunga district ya Kakumiro nagagati salomu nabalisa palamenti nagamba bampulire bamboine anali nituuka eri TUMWINE yalabakungu yagenda mu kolido yanga mutwena biwubalize byamakulu
Then the chief mourner also lead the team from government and